All right, guys, so the other day we did a video where I showed you guys a demo on the surface cleaner. The Briggs & Stratton 15-inch surface cleaner connects right up to your pressure washer. If you're not sure what we're talking about, or if you haven't seen that video, it would really be a big help for you to check it out right here. I'll put a link to it. Okay, that video is going to show you exactly what this pressure washer surface cleaner is all about, how you can purchase it, how you can maintain it, and all that. So for anybody new to my channel, that's some really good information. But I said that we were going to do a pressure wash video. I think it was Sunday we might have done it. It could have been Saturday, where we were going to do the sidewalks and do the driveways and do the front walkway, like right there, all the way up to the door. So we were able to do that. We were able to do the whole sidewalk all the way down to the driveway. And then we did the walkway right here, all the way. Man, that's kind of hard to do. All right, so what I didn't do is this driveway right behind me. And the driveway's not in bad shape, but it could be done. And I wanted you guys to be able to see with a decent driveway, it's not in horrible shape, it's in decent shape, how quick you can get this thing done. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this in about 2 songs. So we're going to video record it in real time, but we're going to fast forward it to whatever it needs to be, 3 times or 4 times or 5 times the speed, so you can watch me work and watch the progress get made, and you know, kind of just follow along and see how cool that this tool really is, and get the driveway done at the same time, just like I promised you. So it's going to be kind of a time-lapse thing. All the how-tos with how to use this and everything like that is on that video I just showed you, and it'll be down in the description below, how you could purchase this thing and everything. So check it out. And at the end of this video, I'll link to that part 1 video that describes the entire unit and how to get it and all that and all the maintenance and things like that. So watch this video. It should be pretty short. It should be pretty cool. You'll be able to see some pretty good progress made really quick. And we'll just take it from there. I owe you guys this, and this should have been a part of part 2, but the weather just came in. So we're just going to put it up real fast, get it done for you guys just as promised. All right, so let's get to it. guys see the effects here of that washer. And so what I did, I just did a little bit up there to show you guys, like you could do a surface with it, the garage door and things like that. Not really, I mean, I would just bleach and soap and do my normal house wash up there. But I just wanted to show you guys that you can use it as a surface washer too. But you see how quick and easy it is. And then we just went back, we used a white tip and we just rinsed that final dirt down. And I did the little area here. This was pretty black here, so you know, we did it, and you can see we did all the way to the cracks here. And the way I angled it, I was able to get, without like making it streak into the neighbor's yard, I was able to really get precise with how it cleaned on the crack and corners there without having to use any tips. I could have got a little bit closer here, but that's okay. But I wanted to show you guys the sand. You know, we did a chemical-free wash, and what we did is we rinsed the sand and dirt, and that's what we lifted. We didn't use any chemicals, we didn't do any staining, we don't have any chemicals going into the drain. It's very clean, very safe, just as safe as rain beating on the driveway. We just beat it a little bit harder, and we pulled up just some wear and tear of sand and dirt and grime and whatever pollen, whatever algae might have been growing and sticking. That's what we got up. So we didn't really break down any oils, we didn't break down any gas, we didn't use any chemicals, we didn't use anything to get like little teeny rust spots out or anything like that. We kept it very safe, very clean, just a simple rinse using that under $70 tool, and we got the driveway looking really nice. And what I'll do is I'm going to let it dry tonight. Tomorrow I'll take some after pictures, and the driveway should look a little bit better than it looks now because it's still dry, and so it's still a little bit darker than it should be. So I owed you guys this video, so I hope we're good, we're even now, and we got the whole front all nice and pressure washed. So I'll see you guys on the next video.